Hey guys, right now I've been sharing with another Unbounce multi-step prompt solution. So let's see how it works. So yeah, this is the live URL that I've been sharing with you, how it works. Okay. So yeah, this is the way of multi-step in Unbounce that I've been doing with the custom coding. And yeah, let's see how it's work. Like the way, let's see how the way is working. So yeah, you see, we can just go to the back, like the way the back of button, and then yeah, I think this is super amazing. So yeah, I've been done. Okay, so let's see how it sort, like how we can, like step 1 2 3, how we can do that, or how you can customize with your brand color. So yeah, everything we can share right now. Okay, so I'm creating another page on Unbound, so I can go through with this. And also this is the page, this is the page mainly, this one is, so I'll be editing here. And I'll just copying the code of main source code of the prom, so here the main two script is here, and so I'm just going to copy it, and then I copy it, and then just I'm creating a blank page. So yeah, it would be help to go through with the blank way, like the is from the sketch. Okay, so just drag a form, and then yeah, just creating some fields. Okay, so here the way of doing, and then we can just copy, just from here we can just copy. So that I've been already copied, so I'm pasting here, and then just name it to call like multi step from script on something like that, anything you can call it. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy it, and this is the important. Okay, you need to customize everything from here. Okay, so I'm just call it multi-step script 2. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then we can also okay, let's see before we put in the css. Okay, so just save it, and then I'm just going to preview it, and let's see how it's yeah, it's, you see, not working, but something is happening here. Okay, but not working properly, like yeah. Okay, messed up is showing because of the css not putting on the page. Okay, so just I'm going to put the css. So yeah, just cancel it, and then this is our css. Okay, so I'm just copying, and then yeah, I'm just pasting here. Okay, so make it like beautiful. Okay, and call it the name like it could be multi step style. Okay, and then done. And if we save it, then you will see like something more beautiful. Okay, yeah, boom, see this. Okay, so right now I'll go through with the how you can like changing the color, and then step, like for example, let's see here. Again, I though I said so, again I'm going here, and then this is the total details. You see, total details, personal details. Okay, so we can change this. All right. Okay, okay, so I'm just putting it like step 1, and then step 2, and this is also the important things. You see how it works. Actually, first time we have create the 5 fields. So from the 5 fields here, I have for the first step I'm just putting 3 for the first step, and then 4 for the next step. So we can just customize like 2, and then 2, and then I can just clone it like this way, and then step 3, and here we can show just one, though I put 5 fields. Okay, and here we can create, here we can name it another name, like this is continue, we can put like next, and then this one could be back. Okay, that's perfect. So if I done, and then, and this is the from button, like we can put it submit, then on the last field it will show as submit. So submit. Okay, and then save. And now if I go through with this, see, this is the to from and step 1 2 3. Okay, so if I go through with the typing Mahiner, and then can, and then just I'm putting my number, and then here the A is like, okay, like this, and then here's the, you see the submit button, you see this is next, next. Okay, but here on the last field is like submit button. So yeah, I'm already showing how you can customize this area. Okay, and now how you can like changing the color. To changing the color, you need to inspect, and then we can go like this. Here is that the color. So let's find out this code on our style sheet. Okay, so if you just go through here, active, yeah, this one. So if we just change this color, for example, pink, or maybe yeah, this one looks like good. So if we just need to update it, so we can just go here, and then let's update. Okay, now if I save, after that if I refresh this, you'll see, yeah, the changing is here. And then the button color, if we go like the same color to match it with your brand, so we can simply go with this. Okay, and now maybe not, we need to just change from the, let's see, yeah, okay, this is working. Okay, so yeah, this is how it's work. I hope it's helpful to for your client. And let's see, yeah, this is the way how it's work. Okay, thank you.